How to fix Homestreet Bank app not working. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If your Homestreet Bank app is not working or there are some glitches on the application, then you should try these methods. The first one is to tap and hold on the application, then tap on this eye icon. That's going to take you to the settings. You simply want to tap on the storage option from here, then tap on the clear cache option. After that, tap on clear data. Now tap on the delete option. Once both the cache and data of this application has been deleted, you simply want to open the app and log into your account and check. If you're still facing this problem, then the next step would be to open up your Play Store or App Store and then search for the Homestreet Bank application. If you find the update button, tap on it and update Homestreet Bank app to the latest version. That's going to fix any of the bugs on your application, and then the app should work just fine on your device. However, if that doesn't fix your issue, you simply want to uninstall the application. Then open up your Play Store or App Store, reinstall the application. After that, log into your account and check. If for some reason this also does not fix your issue, then all you have to do is contact the customer support of the Homestreet Bank app. For that, you can either call them or you can visit the website of Homestreet Bank, or you can also visit the bank for more information. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.